Hi everyone, welcome. So today I'm going to show you in this type of a table. So when you have sales value for country and we need to create a new column and we need to get the total of the country, specific country and add it as a column. So this is not a very efficient way of doing it, but for specific requirement, let's say we need to create a column and we need to get the total sales value per country and add it as a new column. So that's the requirement. Let's see how we can do that. So this is my sheet looks like country and month and the sales. So I need to create a new column here. So let's see how we can do it by using DAX. Right, so I create a new column. Okay, and this new column name it as total sales per country. Right, so then first I will define a variable called var country equals then country. So first I take the country value into variable, a specific column country value, and then I need to return calculate. I need to return the sum of sales right, and then I need to do filter and in this table, and then sheet 1 country equals to the variable country. Right. So now, as you can see, when I add the tax accordingly, right, the total sum of the sales per country comes as a column. So in this way, by using different DAXs, we can derive columns as we want. Thank you for watching and keep in touch.